Recorded Medication Teaching, an initiative of the Manitoba ACS Network and St. Boniface Hospital. What is a heart attack? It's common for people to, over time, develop a buildup of fatty deposits called plaque in the walls of their blood vessels. Plaque buildup can lead to reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. Sometimes, plaque can even break open, causing a clot to form, which can quickly lower or shut off blood flow to the heart muscle. This is what causes most heart attacks. Signs of a heart attack are different for each person. These signs may include chest discomfort that may feel like pressure, squeezing, heaviness, burning, or fullness. Sometimes there will be discomfort in the neck, jaw, shoulders, arms, or back. There may also be nausea, dizziness, sweating, or shortness of breath. Signs of a heart attack may not always come on very fast or feel very bad. Some people only have mild discomfort or pain, and some people don't have chest pain at all. Some people have only one sign, while other people may have several. If you've had a heart attack, it's important to remember how it felt, since that feeling will be unique to you. Sometimes the damage from a heart attack is mild, and sometimes it can be very bad. A lot of this depends on how quickly it is treated. Treating a heart attack involves returning blood flow to the heart muscle. This is done with medications that stop clots from forming. Other medications are also given to protect the heart and help it recover. Most people with a heart attack will also have an angiogram. This allows the heart doctor to see blockages in the blood vessels. Sometimes a blockage is opened with a stent, which is a small tube of wire that holds the vessel open to let blood flow through. Some people will be treated with medications alone, and some people will have heart surgery after a heart attack. Your healthcare team will talk to you about options for treatment if more than one option may be right for you. Everyone who has had a heart attack will need to take medications, many of them lifelong, to help keep their blood vessels open, protect their heart muscle, and prevent further heart attacks. If you have any questions, talk to your pharmacist or other healthcare provider. Visit the Manitoba ACS Network website at www.mbacsnetwork.ca/education for more information. If you have any questions, talk to your pharmacist or other healthcare provider. Visit the Manitoba ACS Network website at www.mbacsnetwork.ca/education for more information.